How y'all doing? Just thought I'd jump on here and make a little video for y'all about this whole life policy. I get a lot of questions, so I make videos based on the questions I get and things that I know that people are gonna want to know. And a lot of times people want to know how much does a whole life policy cost. Somebody say, man, how much it costs for one of them kind of policies? And so if you go the traditional route, if you just call up an agent and say, hey, I want whole life insurance, no, what they're probably going to come with is some kind of traditional whole life policy where you're just going to pay a certain amount to your premium, and he's going to just look at what that money will buy you, because the base premium buys you it buys you a death benefit. So you buy as much as you want or as much as you can afford. It's up to you. Or you can call an agent like me who structures policies for, that could be a flexible savings asset. They can be used as a flexible savings asset. They can be used as a financing tool. They can be used to do whatever you want it to do for your banking needs. Now that policy, it's not a how much death benefit can you afford. It's pretty much how much are you saving a year? How much money you putting in your savings account? Now we take that money, let's take that, and we pay that amount into your insurance policy. And then we decide, or you decide, where you want that money to go. You could say, I only want 10% of this to go to my base premium. Then I want the 90% to go towards my PUA rider. Because don't forget, you choose where your money goes. It can go to one or two different places: the base premium and the PUA rider. The base premium buys you the death benefit. The PUA rider accelerates your cash value. So it's not about how much does that cost. How much do you want the ability to put into this policy? How much do you want the ability to put into your bank account? The bank don't tell you how much it costs to open up a bank account. They just say you put in as much as you can put in. You know it's liquid. You can go get it. You know it's safe, but it don't grow tax free. The money that they pay you, once it reach a certain amount, I think it's $600 or something. Once you reach that, you're going to be taxed on everything above that. With a whole life policy, you can dump as much money as you want in it. You won't be taxed on the growth of that money. It's just as safe as the bank. And it's also liquid. It may not be as liquid as the bank because it might take 2 to 5 business days. So you still need to keep something in the bank, so that way if you need it right now, you can get it. But the majority of your money should be in a vehicle where it's going to grow your money faster. This is not an investment, so you don't compare the growth to an investment. This is a savings asset. This is the saving part, of the policy. Because the sole purpose of an insurance policy, the primary purpose of a insurance policy, is to buy you some life insurance. We just structure it to where you can use the cash value component for different things, and we show you how to use them. So we can go more in detail. Reach out if you have more questions. But the answer to your question, how much are one of them policies? Because that's what I always get. How much is that? It's not a cost. It's how much do you want the ability to put in. That money's still liquid in that PUA rider. The majority of that money's still available for you to use to do whatever. So don't look at it as a cost. Look at it as, I'm just moving my savings, the part of your money that you want safe. That's why we don't worry about the 4.5% growth versus a stock market versus a business. All those have risks. This is for your safe money. You borrow against this to go and take risks, but we just speaking on safety, full safety. So It's not a cost. It's not a certain amount you have to pay. How much do you want the ability to put in?